Good morning students. This video will give you information how to upload your answer scripts through Gmail. First, once you write your examination, you have to use the camera option and take photo of your answer sheet. Before you take photo of your answer sheet, everyone should be sure whether you wrote your name in all the pages. Name, class, section, page numbers. So this is my second page. So I'm taking photo. I'll take care that my name and my answers are not cut when I'm taking the photo, so that I'll not miss my marks and identity. So I'm taking third page of my answer scripts. Light also is very important because teachers should see your answers and award marks to you. So this is my next page. Yes. So I'm ready with photo of my answer sheets. Now we have to go to Gmail app. You can see from down second row, first option, Gmail app. I just click that app. Now here I need to click compose. Compose means I am getting ready to send my answer script. I am going to enter my details, everything into the answer scripts. I am entering every detail into the answer scripts. So here if you observe from address and to address, from. So here student is going to enter the mail address. Ma'am, I don't have my mail address. It's okay. Everyone will not have mail address. You can use your father's, mother's, your relatives or anyone's mail ID we can use in order to send the answer scripts. In from address we are going to send the mail address of the student. Mail address need not be student mail address, and this age everyone will not have mail address. So you can use your relatives or anyone who belongs to you. You can ask someone who is around you. To means to whom we are sending. In Teams app, we already posted you the corresponding mail address. For example, if I belong to 7th A, if I write English exam, I have to post my English paper to svs7a english@gmail.com. When I write my Kannada exam, I have to post my answer scripts to svs7a kannada@gmail.com and so on. One small mistake also shouldn't be done when I am typing the mail address that every student should take care of. Now here, if you observe, right top, there are two options called attachment and send. I want to explain those two options. You can see here something which is highlighted in orange color. That we call it as attachment option. If you click that option, you can attach your answer scripts which you have already taken photo. This one, which is highlighted in orange color, we call it as send button. If you press that, once we are ready with from address and to address, it goes to the destiny. Now let us go to our Gmail. I just clicked compose. When I click compose, you can see the from address and to address. I already told you that from address is from where we are sending. To address means today I wrote English exam and I am a student of 7th A. So svs7a english@gmail.com is the mail ID my teacher assigned me in order to send my answer scripts. So now we are ready with our from and to address. You have to fill the subject SA and you need to mention clearly the subject. Today I wrote English exam, so I am mentioning English here. Here you need to mention name of the student. Name. The student name is Kalyani. Don't forget to mention your initial. Next, I belong to 7th class. So I wrote 7 here. Section, A section. Your teachers are responsible for many classes. It is a great help if you submit your answer sheets with full details. You need to mention the student name, class and section. Once we are ready with this, you need to go to attachment option. Click on attach file. Once you click the attach file, you can see the photos what we have taken in the starting of the video. You have to select answer scripts. We can do it at a time. So I just selected this scripts. So third one, fourth one, fifth one. For example, if I wrote 5 sheets, I'll just click open option. Now I have to check whether all my 5 sheets are uploaded or not. Yes, they are uploaded. Now you need to click the I have a doubt whether my answer sheet is reached by the teacher and whether I send the answer sheet properly or not. Don't worry students, go on to this option, click on sent items. So in sent items you can see whatever you send. See Kalyani class 7A section A. So time also is clear here. You can watch the time which is mentioned 17:07 and my mobile time it is matching, means it is reached to the students. It is very easy students, so don't panic how to send my answer sheets in a new method. Thank you. Hope this video is useful to you.